I tested every AI resume builder on the market, and I found Rezi-AI to be the absolute best. The two main reasons why it stood out to me is because, first and foremost, it is easy to use, but most importantly, it actually helps you get hired because of what's called ATS optimization. And I will talk about that a bit later in this video. But before we start, I have some fantastic news. So normally, Rezi-AI is either $29 per month, or if you want the lifetime deal, that is $150. Well, guess what? I have a code in the description with which you will get this lifetime deal for free. And you don't need to enter credit card details either. And the reason we did this is because Rezi-AI wanted to sponsor this video, and I thought that in return, I would give something of tremendous value to you. But now, let's get started with the video. And how to get started with Rezi-AI, just head over to Rezi.ai or use my link in the description and click on login. And then before I actually show you how to create your resume, let me actually show you how to apply the code to get the lifetime plan for free. So first you need to go over here to the top right corner where it says account. And then in the redemption code section over here, just enter the code that you will find in the description and click on apply. And there you go. And please hurry up because this deal might not be available forever. And now to build a resume, the AI needs to know about yourself. And there are a couple of ways in which you can actually do this. Well, first of all, you can have a paper like this where you have just listed information about yourself. So here is an imaginary person that I just created. So his name is Daniel Carter. He's from Austin, Texas. And here's the professional summary, work experience. And by the way, you don't really even need to format it. Just literally describe your working experience, education, skills, hobbies, interests, and then save it as a PDF and then just drop it over here. And now, after about a minute of research, the AI has put together this kind of a resume. And I know this looks very basic, but there is actually a very good reason for that. And that is because of ATS, or application tracking system. So when you have a super flashy, colorful resume where you have all these different fonts and pictures and everything, these application tracking systems that a lot of companies are using to screen resumes actually might miss some information about your resume because they are not coded to read information in a fancy format. So yes, a resume should always look very bare bones and very basic, and it should be keyword rich so that these application tracking systems would pick your resume up from the masses based on words and keywords and phrases that you have used in the resume. Do not even try to make it fancier than this, because this is what will actually get you hired. That said, what I recommend you absolutely focusing on is this Rezi score. So preferably make it go green. So for example, right now we only have 66 because of the very basic information we provided this tool with. So now what you can do over here is click on explore my Rezi score if it's not green. And here you actually see that, for example, with the score 66, you are at the tail end of the spectrum over here, which is not good. You're basically not standing out from the masses because most of the people who have done this actually have a score between 90 to 100. And here below these charts, you have the breakdown. So here we have some issues with the content. Here we have some issues with format and with best practices, as well as the application readiness score. And if you want more information about these details, just click on this information button and you will find a blog post that will cover the issue you just had. And also, if you have a link directly to the issue, you can just click over here and it will jump you back over to this section in your resume where it is going wrong. For example, here it says that my resume has 2 experiences with an incorrect number of bullet points. So it is critical to include between 3 to 10 bullet points. So now if we say, for example, if we click this operations analyst, you are going to see that I only have 1 bullet point over here. So obviously you need to fix that. And if you're feeling super lazy, you can just click on generate bullet. But I obviously recommend you typing this out yourself because you know better what you did in your previous jobs or in the previous education. And for example, right now that I have added a couple of bullet points to both of my experiences, my score jumped from 66 to 72. Then once you're happy with your resume, what you can do next is some AI keyword targeting, which helps you get more interviews by optimizing your resume for these important keywords that these ATS systems will pick up on. So for example, let's say that Daniel is searching for a job with the name of project manager, and he's typed in something like this: seeking a project manager to coordinate cross-functional projects, improve business processes, analyze operational data, and so on. And then all we need to do is click on Save Job Description, and then the AI will process that information for a second. And as you can see, it will immediately add some keywords to the resume that will improve the Rezi score as well. So it was 80 just a second ago, now it's 85. And here is also asking if I want to add these keywords into the mix. So for example, yes, and we can generate a bullet, and here it is generating the bullet for me. Then we can click on accept and next. For example, let's do these ones as well. Once again, the AI is writing more keyword-rich bullet points into my experiences. And now the Rezi score is almost 90, which is nearly getting us to the green part. And now obviously I'm not suggesting that you should blindly add these over here. So you should always make sure that everything that the AI just wrote here makes sense and change it accordingly. So if it's close, make sure to make it exactly like it was. So you need to be accurate here still. And the AI is just giving you kind of like direction. And then anytime you're satisfied with your resume, all you need to do is just click on Download PDF. And there we have it. Here's our resume that is ATS optimized for a project manager job. And then before we wrap it up, please don't forget to check these two features at the bottom left corner. So with the Chrome extension, you can actually turn your LinkedIn profile directly into a ready to submit resume. And then also don't forget to try the Rezi MCP feature, which basically allows you to, for instance, connect Claude AI with your Rezi account so that you don't need to copy paste text back and forth, but you can, for instance, find jobs directly from Claude for you given your resume. Nonetheless, that is how you create an ATS optimized resume that will improve your chances to get hired. So basically, just write your background information on a paper, tell your jobs, your education, your experiences, your skills, and your hobbies maybe, and then just drop the information over here and let the AI take care of the rest. And then just optimize your resume score to be between 90 and 100 and download your resume and just send it over. And remember to use my code in the description to actually get the lifetime deal for entirely free with no credit card. Nonetheless, that's it for this video. I hope you found it insightful and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day.